In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your orders with the Klarna app. If you've ever wondered where your package is or when it's going to arrive, this walkthrough will make it simple. We'll look at how to see real-time shipping updates right inside the Klarna app, what to do if you prefer tracking straight from the merchant's email, and an optional way to have Klarna automatically keep an eye on your deliveries for you. Start by opening the Klarna app and heading to the Purchases section. This is your hub for everything you've bought through Klarna. You'll see your recent orders, and for items that have shipped, a status like in transit or delivered. Tap the order you care about to open the detailed view. Here, Klarna shows you the carrier, the tracking number, and the latest scan events, often including an estimated delivery window. If you don't see a tracking number yet, it usually means the merchant hasn't handed the package to the carrier or the tracking hasn't synced. Give it a little time and check back. A quick tip, keep your app updated and make sure you're on a stable connection so the latest tracking data loads smoothly. Inside the order details, you can follow the shipment's progress day by day. Estimates are based on the carrier's data, so they can shift if there are weather delays, customs checks, or high volume periods. If the timeline looks paused, it doesn't always mean something is wrong. It can simply be waiting for the next scan. If you prefer to track outside the app or want a second view, you can use the tracking link in the merchant's shipping confirmation email. Open that email and tap the tracking link to jump straight to the carrier's page where you'll see the most current scan events and estimated delivery. Sometimes the merchant's link updates a bit sooner than third-party views, so it's a handy alternative if you need the freshest timestamp. For a more hands-off approach, you can optionally connect your email to Klarna's auto-track feature. This lets Klarna automatically detect shipping confirmations and add those deliveries to your purchases view without you doing anything. Look for auto-track in the app and follow the prompts to connect your email securely. You can turn it off anytime, and it's especially useful if you receive a lot of packages and don't want to copy tracking details manually. And that's all you need to keep tabs on your orders. Check purchases for real-time updates, use the merchant's link if you want a direct carrier view, and enable auto-track if you want it to run in the background. Happy tracking and enjoy the peace of mind of knowing exactly where your package is.